Hey guys, so I'm here with an unboxing of my FabFitFun winter box. I was so excited to receive this, so let's begin. So here was the box the FabFitFun box was delivered in. FabFitFun, try saying that like 5 times. But okay, here, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So I ordered a couple of add-ons as well. I purchased the Kapari. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's basically a coconut oil organic skincare line. And here it is right here. So cute. I'm really excited to try this out. Been seeing a lot of advertisements for it and whatnot. I also ordered these keratin gloves and socks. They're gonna help hydrate the skin there, so I'm really excited to try these. So for the main event, this is their winter box. Cute little cozy design. Let's see what we have inside. So first thing you see is the magazine, and I do like to read those. It just gives you pretty much an outline of what we have in the box, as well as some details on how to use each product. And we also have a couple of coupons after this, something for HelloFresh, and also a coupon for getting the box yourself, which I will link down below. So this sticker that's holding the tissue paper together just has their hashtag FabFitFun, and I guess they're having a sweepstakes. So if you share the hashtag and do, I guess, a picture or review of what you got, you'll be entered to win. Here we have all my awesome items. I'm also a select member, so I got to customize a lot of my box, and we're gonna go through each right now. So I chose this coconut sugar body cream by Anthropology, and this is also a hydration cream mask. So because winter I feel is very drying, I'm choosing a lot of hydrating products. So this is my first Thrive Cosmetics, and it's a highlighter. I don't remember choosing this exactly, so maybe it's something they just added to my box. So this was my mystery item I received, I guess because there was an issue with the coasters they had chosen for everyone, but this is a brightening serum. I've never used one before. I think you apply it after cleansing and toning, so I'll give it a try. This is the palette I chose by Pure. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right again, but we were gonna go on a trip. I think it's been postponed, but it would have been nice to just have this dedicated, smaller travel eyeshadow set instead of me bringing my entire naked palette. I only use like 3 colors anyways. So this is just an ivory throw. I chose this color because I felt like it went better with my color scheme in our house, and you can't have too many blankets. So this is the Halston jewelry portfolio, and I also felt like this was a good item to have for traveling. Here I actually opened it, and it's a really pretty gold metallic color. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but I think it's fairly nicely organized, and it has a good layout that I can organize all my jewelry, necklaces, and rings. And I don't wear that much really, but I like it. It will keep at least my earrings safe. So I think these are just black hydrogel eye mask, and I love masks with this specifically for your eyes. Would be fun to use. This is a hair mask to take care of any split ends I may have, and I really enjoy using hair masks. I've been trying to rehab my hair, so this should be good to use as well. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please feel free to like, share, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you.